main apa-apa ni. Allahu Akbar, risaunya.
Thousands of people in Malaysia have been displaced by flash floods following unremitting rains since Friday morning, officials said on Saturday. 8 of the country's 16 states and federal territories have seen water levels rise to dangerous levels, according to a government website that tracks flood trends. In Selangor, the country's wealthiest state around the capital Kuala Lumpur, more than 3,000 people have been evacuated to temporary relief shelters, Fura Amiruddin Sherry said in a media statement. Rainfall in the state is more than double the previously recorded peak, and floodwater levels reached 0.5 meters in the affected areas, Amiruddin said, without specifying the previous record. He said, 6 rescue centers are already operational and victims will be tested for COVID-19 free of charge and regularly. The State Fire Department recorded 3,786 flood victims in Klang, Kuala Langat, and Sepang districts by afternoon, the agency's head Norazam Khamis told Reuters.